In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify domain name. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update the core myshopify.com address for your store, so it better matches your brand and looks more professional. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Go ahead and log into your Shopify account the way you normally do. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main admin dashboard, where you can see your orders, products, and other store information. This is your control center, and from here, we're going to head into the settings where domains are managed. Look towards the bottom left corner of your dashboard, and you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on that. This opens up a page with several sections that control how your store behaves, including things like payments, checkout, and of course, domains. Take a moment to let the page load fully so you can see all the options. On the Settings page, find and click on the Domains option. This is where Shopify keeps all of your domain-related controls. Once you're inside the domain section, you'll see a list of domains connected to your store. That usually includes your primary myshopify.com domain, and if you've added any other custom domains that you might be using for customers. What we want to do here is change your myshopify.com domain, which is the internal address Shopify gives your store. Look for the button or link that says Change My Shopify.com domain and click on it. Shopify will open a new window or panel where you can set a new myshopify.com URL. You'll now see a text field where you can type in the new domain name you'd like. This will become the first part of your myshopify.com address. Choose something short, clear, and relevant to your brand. Avoid special characters and spaces, stick to letters and, if needed, numbers. As you type, Shopify will check if that name is available. If it's already taken, try small variations until you find one that works. Once you're happy with the new name and it shows as available, click on Add Domain to confirm the change. Shopify will save your new myshopify.com domain, and you should see it appear in your domains list. From now on, that updated address will be the main internal URL for your store. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Shopify domain name.